Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set or how you can configure a microphone access on Windows 11. So if you often use a microphone on your desktop PC, you need to configure, or maybe you want to manage what apps that can use your microphone and what apps that you think you don't need a microphone when you try to use that app. So in order to configure your microphone, you can click Start and go to the settings and click on Privacy and Security. Here there are some options like Windows permission, security, and application permissions. Here try to search microphone option, click it. If an app is using your microphone, you will see microphone icon on your Windows taskbar. This one, as you can see, there's a microphone. Some desktop app might not appear on this page or be affected by these settings. So by default, microphone access is on, and anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when it's on, and let the apps access your microphone. Here you can try to turn on or turn off, and here the application, and currently in use Bandicam. I use Bandicam, and this is the Google Chrome, and so on. So this is how you can configure the microphone access on your Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.